In this video, we're going to be creating a little improvisation using very simple concept of triad in both hands. Triad, as you may recall, on the white keys is every other tone for 3 notes. Is this the only type of triad? It is not, but it's great for beginners. You're essentially in a pentascale position, 1 finger per key, and dropping out the 2nd and 4th. So you end up with your thumb, 3rd and 5th. There's your block triad, a block triad down here. Block just means you're playing them at the same time. Same 3 tone at the same time. Now what we're going to do, we are going to move the hands in parallel so that the leftmost note is the same. So we're in a B position here, or in an A position here, F position here. We're going to be moving around in parallel. The right hand is going to be block. The left hand, though, we're going to create some sort of broken pattern. Let's have it do maybe, so let's say we're on A. Let's have it go down and then up. So we went down twice, up and down. Move this around to F, G, A, position. Now the right hand is just paralleling with block triads. It's playing the same triad, but as a block, and these 3 notes, though, are broken in that pattern. G, to E, to D, whoops, I made a mistake. Let's go back to A. Let's go to C. So I'm keeping the pattern the same throughout. Now this block, I have just been holding it, but I could pulse. Could I pulse as frequently as this is playing? I could. It would sound like this. A, except I messed up the pattern. The idea. This could, instead of just being a regular pulse up here, slow or fast, it could be some sort of rhythm. Let's see if we can coordinate a rhythm. What about something like this? Back to A. Go to C. Okay, I'm going to see if I can vary this rhythm a little bit. Whoa. So there's a lot of things you can do. It can be very pretty. We could slow it way down. Let me put it on D. Same idea. Let's go to A. So you can see by slowing it down, speeding it up, repeating that block chord, creating rhythms with the block chord. You're also probably noticing occasionally I'm using the pedal. Off and on I've been using the pedal depending on what felt good to me in the moment. But that's a really great way to create an improvisation. Both hands doing block triads in the same positions on the keyboard. The left hand, though, has the broken pattern and the right hand has block. All right, have fun with that.